Welcome and good morning. You have about a minute and a half till a bell, and so far I've got about 5 stocks on my watch list. Those being ATAT above 1638. This one is a recent IPO with a high of 1705, and after that it's a blue sky setup, meaning that there's no resistance after 1705. Um, I'll be watching that one at the open. It's a bit risky since it's a higher price and lower volume. PDSB we have. We need to see the break of 7. After that, we can have 714, and the high of pre-market was 782. Next, we have G-Sun. This one, let's see, over 875 and 830. Those are the pivots pre-market, but it's kind of selling off. It needs to get back over 7 first, or in VWAP. TBLT, lower priced, starting to curl up towards 780 or 280, my bad. And then let's see here. What else is there? There was FRGT, which is very low price, 43 cents. Needs to get over 50. And then, yeah. So those are the 5 we're going to be watching at the open. Have them all on side charts right now. TBLT looks good, strong for a push through 280 at the big open. I have 47 on FRGT. I have 76 on TBLT. So watch 47 here and 76 here. Watch this first candle close. Watching FRGT break through 46 and 47. Watch break of 46. Watch break of 47. There we go. There's 49, there's 50. See if you can break 50 here. In there on the pullback. Watch 50 break. Had it at 48.70 there. Watch that seller at 49. Watch 49 here. Watch 48.50. Spread tightening up. There we go. See if we can push 49 here. Watch 49.30, 49.50. Watch the break of 50 here. Okay, taking it off there, $4 win. And at 72 on TBLT, watch break at 73. Out at 70. Watch high daybreak here. Small loss on FRGT. On that high daybreak, small loss. Can watch break of 280 on TBLT. Don't like that candle very much. Selling off here, 65. Candle's gonna close like a big volume red candle. That's not good. In there for the break of 51, watching those sellers. FRGT, watching 51. Adding. Watch this for the break of 51, 52. Watching those sellers at 50 to 51. There we go, seller at 51.10. It's getting bought through. 51.15, 51.50. Watch 52, 52.80. There's 52.40. Watch 52.80 here. Watching 52.80 for the break. There's 53, 54. There we go. Got some out at 54. Looking for an add back through 54. There's 55. Taking it off at 55.50. Add back small size for a D56 break. There we go. Got 59. There's 60. Back down to 56. There's 50 to 60. Oh god. I don't think we hit 62 there, but it shows we did. Very nice move so far. Watching break at 62, I guess. Seller at 60. We're breaking. There's 60 to 11. There's 61. False breakout. Getting out at 58.60. back $2 there. PDSB, false breakout, flush down. ATAT has just been going down all day. TBLT needs to reclaim VWAP. So far right now the only thing in play is FRGT. So there's 61.10 and 56.50. Getting in some starter size here, it feels like it wants to have a bounce or a pop. So watch break over 60. See if it holds 57.50 here. Looks like it's holding for now. Watch break of 59.60. Watch that 59 level. Adding for the break of 59 and 60. There's 59 break. Watch 60 here. Adding for break of 60. There's 61. Watch break of 61 here. And then 62. Needs to get back over 59. It's 59.50. Watch 60 here. Sellers at 60. Gonna hop out of this for now at 58.20. How am I, gonna ask? I'm doing pretty good. How about you? Have you been trading today? ENSC. ENSC popping up. It's got decent volume. Let's see. 55. It broke 55. It broke 50, then came back down to 40. That's not exactly the best setup. If you can get back over 50, you can look for the break of 55 and 60. Rocking it like Ross? I don't know about that. Just getting my small base hits, trying to have some consistency for the next couple months, and then we'll size up again. So TBLT over 69. Still have FRGT on a side chart, watching that at 57 cents. FRGT dip. Looking for a dip here on ENSC. Looks like I missed it probably at 34. See if we get the break of 50 now that we dipped. There's the breakout on TBLT. Is it going to be a false breakout? 69 up to 72. Back down to 67. In there at 71 for break of 72. Buyers at 70. So buyers at 70 holding us up. Getting out at 70. Looks like the buyer was getting bought into. We'll get FRGT back here. High of 61 this candle. Low of 55.31. ARDX. ARDX actually looks pretty nice too. ARDX. Break of 85. It's got good volume. And at 83, watch break of 85. There's 84, watch 85, 86. Orders out at 86. We hit 86, there we go, got filled at 86. There's 87. And at 81 here on the dip, let's see if it gets back up to 83, 84. Orders out at 84, 83. Flattening here at 82.50. And look, I can always look to get back in. Back in at 83. There's 80. Buyer at 80. Cutting at 78. So between those trades, I'm break even up 16 cents on the stock. hit a low of 74 on that dip trade, on that dip, and then low of 69 on the previous dip. As long as we don't break 69, we're still uptrending. I don't like the topping tails on the 5-minute. Would appreciate if we got a proper pullback or a nice push up. So 69. TBLT looks like it wants to break 72 again. I don't know if I can trust it. Low volume on FRGT right here, so we have to wait for the volume to pick back up as it comes up again. If we take a trade right here, it could work, but it's more likely to not. Low of 72 there on ADR DX. Watching side charts right now to see if anything's moving. COSM. It's moving up. We traded this last week too. Watch break a 17. Break a 17. $17.40. Gonna mark it out here at $17.13. 60 cents, not much. The thing with this one is that it's a little bit too low of a price where you can't even get really a penny on it. Yeah, I think I'll go back to FRGT. Made 60 cents on it. We'll take our 60 cents and leave on that one. It's just too low priced. TBLT. Look at that 5-minute just bottoming wicks. Watch break of 72 here. There's 73. Sellers coming in at 73. Back in for break of 73. Those sellers are coming down. Watch 74, 75. Watch 74 sellers, 75 sellers. Lots of sellers up here. There's 77. We hit 77 there. We could look for a next leg up to 280. High day market average 78. Adding for break of 70, or two, there we go. There we go. Out at 82. Can we hold 80 here? This could be the next move if we hold 80. There's 77. Come on, let's hold 80 as this candle closes. There's 84. Watch 85. And at 83 out of 83. Break even trade. Watch break of 85 here. Wow, let's hold 80. Hold 80 here, come on. Okay, didn't hold 80. 5 minute looks good though. The 5 minute chart looks good. 1 minute chart's a little bit messed up because of the topping tail there, but the 5 minute chart looks good. Watch this for the break of 85. There were some sellers at 84 and 85. We'll see if we break. So watching this high of 83 on this candle. This is an okay pullback candle. Okay, now it's looking like a topping tail. $83. I have to buy a dip on this one. We'll watch 75. Watching 75. Order's gonna be out at 75. We'll see if we get the dip. There's 76. We dip down to 76. Am I gonna miss this entry by a penny? I think I am. There we go. There's 85. And at 84 here, watching break of 85. Watching as we break 85. The sellers are thinning out. Watch 85 here. There's 84 by 83. It's 80, 82. Some sellers at 82. There's 83. 4. So watching this 85 level, it seems like it has some resistance here at 85. There's 83, 84. Watch 85. We thinned it out last time. Can we get through now? Watching 84. I added 20 shares at 84. There's 83. 10,000 shares at 83. 24,000 shares at 80. Cutting it here at 79. I can look to get back in, but right now it feels like it wants to pull back further. So gave back the money I made on it. Only up 40 cents on the stock now. Watch break of 85 here. Saw they're at 80, 20,000 shares. Cutting it there at 78. This one's getting me. So we can watch 76 on PDSB for cup and handle, break a view up. Watch break of 76. There's 78, 79. Out for a small loss or small win. Tiny win. TBLT kind of looks done for now. And at 71 on PDSB, watching this curl back up to 75 and 79. Taking some off at 78, watch 79 break, see if we can get the break at 79. Taking some more off at 78s, if we can. There we go. Now watching break of 79 and 80. Add there at 79, watch 80 break. Order out at 82. There we go. There's 84. Watch 84. Taking the rest off at 83. And they're at 80. Watch 84. Taking off at 81. Back in at 81. Out at 81. Break even trade. Days 92, 96, and 7 are key levels. So 92, 96, $7, 714, 782. So watch 92 as the next resistance point after we break 85. Gonna look to take a dip on small size at the bid. So in 20 shares at 76. I have another order at 74. Added there at 74, got filled. So average is 75 now with 40 shares. See if we get a pop up to 79. 76 on the ask. Low of 72. So Watch 78, 79. Trying to take off half at 79. No fill, gonna get out here at 74. Small loss in that trade, like 40 cents. Trying to buy the dip at 60. No fill. There we go, in at 60. Out at 62. It dipped a little bit lower than I wanted it to, so I got out as soon as I could. Although I could have taken profit a little bit right here. Thing is, I got filled as we broke 60. All the way down to 55. So I didn't want to be in if it kept on going down to 50. FRGT trying to get back above VWAP. There it goes. Break up 53, watch. So add there at 52. So we're watching this for a move to 53. TBLT just broke out on the 5-minute by a penny. See if it lasts. Watch 52, there's 5203. Big buyer there at 52. Are we gonna hold it? There's 5230. Took some off at 5230. Now watch break of 53, 5270, 5280, and 53. There's 53. Took some off 53. Riding for the break. Buyer's now at 5260. Watch break of 53 here. Added. Gonna take it off right there at 5280. We'll watch that break of 53 again. Look to get a small size trade on TBLT for the break of 50 or high day. There it goes. Was in at 55 or 85 and out at 87. Watch break a 90. Break a 90 here. Out at 91. Hit high 92. In there at 93, watch 95, 96, at 94. Let's see if we can get the break of 3 here. Back in at 93. Watch 94, 95. Cutting it for now. Break even. In at 95, watch 97, 98, 99. So watching this for the break of 3 as we get closer to 97, 98. Watching that break of 58. Sellers at 57, 58. Watch them break. There's 58. Watch 59, or not 59, 99. So watching break of 99. Watch 95. 95, 96. Let's see 96. There's 97. Watch 98 here. There's 96, 97. There's 98. Orders out at 98 to see if we get filled. If we get filled, it means we're going to push through 98. Orders should only to take 20 shares off. So watching 98, 97. It's consolidating for a little bit too long. So I'll think about taking it off if we don't get the break here. Buyers at 95. There goes FRGT. There's 97, 98. Let's see 98 break. Here we go. See it? There we go. Watch 99 and 3. Watch 99. We hit 99. Let's see 3. Break of 3. Watching break of 99. Watch 3 here. Watch 3. Doesn't look like it wants to break. I'm gonna get out at 97. FRGT looks like it's going. Break here at 57 and at 56. Watch 57 break. Seller at 56. Gotta get out. So volume came in, we got the break at 53, up to 56, high is 62. Okay. Alright, let's see how this thing's gonna move. We can watch a dip to 54 here, actually. If it wants to dip to 54, we can take that dip. Big buyer there. 3 million shares. No, 300,000 shares. 300,000 shares at 55. Alright, so is that buyer just a spoof order, or is it actually going to be a buyer? Right now I don't see it, so let's see if it's still there at 55. Seller's at 55.50. Watch here, break at 56. Watch 57. Add there at 56.50. Watching 57 break. Watch 56.80, 56.90. Buyers at 55 still. There's 56.80 for a moment. Let's get this break at 57. $56.70. $56.40. $56.50. Buyer at 56. So buyer at 56.20. So adding there at 56.10. There's 56, 30, 40, 50. The buyer there is still holding at 55. Watch this back over 56. Watching the buyer. Getting out as the buyer gets filled. Lots of selling going on. It might bounce, but I don't want to take the risk of having it drop 2 cents on me, and then I'm down an additional $8. So there it goes, it bounces. I didn't want to take the risk. We can watch break of 857 now, though. Still heavy selling on it. It's a bit hard to see which one's good. Watching break of 99.3 on TBLT. Watching break of 3 on TBLT. It's got a good 5 minute, got a good 1 minute. Should be able to get that breakout. Took a decent size $6 loss on PDSB on that breakout right there. So we'll try and make it up with this one. There's 302. Definitely did not hit 306 there, but that's what it's saying. I saw 302 max. It's 303. Adding for break at 305, 306. Added at 304. Seller at 304. Buyers at 302. Watch 305 and 306. Watching the ladder here. There we go. 308, 309. Watch 309, got filled. Watch 310. 311, 12. Out there. Watch the dip back down to 9. In there at 9. Watch 11, 12. Out there at 12. Watch 15. Hello, Frank. How's it going? Looks like we're back up to high a day in terms of our P&L. There's 316 on TBLT. Watching this for 318, 320. Buyers at 313. This is a high a day move. Low of that candle, 9. Buyers at 11. Adding at 12. Buyers at 11 gone, gonna get out. Oh, they're still there actually. I misinterpreted that. It's because it was flashing like it's doing right now. 308. Look to get in at 6 here. Actually, and they're at 12. Watch 14, 15, 16. Selling a third at 15. Probably gonna break 16 here. Gonna get the rest out at 10. Small loss. We'll see here. It's getting a little hard to read. 9 EMAs at 305. On the 1. I'm not going to trust PDSB until it gets over 7, because these are wicking way too much for me. Watch break 16 here. Hit 18 there for a moment. Okay, gonna get the rest out there. Spenny, the platform I'm using is Thinkorswim from TD Ameritrade. There's 19, 20. Watch break at 20. See if we can break 20 here. 19's thinning out. Watch 20. It's thinning out. There we go. 22. Twenty-one, 22. Watch break at 22, added at 21. Average is 20 right now with 100 shares. Watching, if it breaks down to 17, 16, we'll probably get out. Watch 21, 22. Can we break 20 here? There we go. Out the rest at 23. How long have I been a trader for? Since I started learning in 2020, during the market crash. I didn't actually start trading until probably like September of 2020. So about a little over 2 years. And I've been red for the majority of it. So that's why I called this, the main playlist on my channel is called My Path to Profitability, because I'm still working on it. I'm still not profitable yet. But that way I have this archive of my trades going backwards, so that when I am profitable, I have that archive for anyone else who wants to learn from me. Dip trade at 20 here. Watch 22. Out at 21. 318. Possibly 17 here. Look at that breakout on PDSB. Up to 708 and then back down to 660. Wow. $318, $320. It feels like it wants to go lower. There's 16. Right off the 9 EMA. Okay, high of FRGT here, 55.37. But the volume's kind of dead still compared to what it used to be. We can test it with 100 shares. Watching FRGT break a 55, 55, 50. Let's see. Back down to 54 already. That's what I was worried about with the small volume. That's why I only did 100 shares. Let's see where it closes on this candle though. If it closes at 53, we have to cut it, but if it closes at 54, 54.50, then we can hold on to it for a little bit more. So it closes at 54. Let's see here. Yeah, volume's kind of dying off on it. We'll see here. If they can't get over 54 in the next little bit, then we'll cut it. Sellers at 53.80. Volume's dying off even more. Gonna go ahead and cut it here at 53.50. The volume's dying off too much. Alright, so 327 here. 314. Maybe it keeps going. This is like the third pullback though. Turns out 5-minute pullbacks. 1 pullback, 2 pullback, 3 pullback. So it could get dicey up here on TBLT. We'll see. FRGT back up to 55. Still a bit lower volume though. There it goes down. Look at that. Look at that dip. And at 51.90 there. Hmm. Cutting it there, 51.87, so I've lost basically nothing on it. I wanted to see that buyer at 51 hold. It did, but candles are kind of messed up. So we hit 24 there on TBLT. Volume's still holding up a little bit. Let's see how this next candle does. So we'll probably call it after this TBLT play. Probably call it a day after that. And so we'll see if it hits 27 here, and then we'll probably call it a day. Watching break at 25. Buyers at 24. Watch 27 here. There's 26. Back down to 22. Out at 22. Out at 22. We didn't break 27 yet, so it's still valid. We've given back about $4 or $5 off the top. So nothing too bad. Seller or buyer at 20 or 16. Tried getting filled at 18 there. Cutting that trade. At 21, 40 shares. Seller at 22. Let's see if it breaks. Probably won't actually here. 22, 21. I might have to just cut it and call it a day. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it here at 1750. I think I'm gonna call it a day there. Gave back 6 off the top. So ending the day at 32. Right here. With that being mostly on TBLT and FRGT, we gave back about $6 on FRGT and a little bit on TBLT as well. So we could have been up 40 something today. But yeah. Overall it was a pretty good day. We gave back $6 on PDSB2 on this move right here. PDSB, we gave back $6 right here. On the breakout over 80, we got in at 80, popped up to 85, and then we sold at 670. Let's see here. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and call it a day. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. This is day 8 in a row of being green. This is my 8th day in a row. So we'll see if we can continue the streak tomorrow. Alright. Peace out. Have a great day. Stay green.